Changing your primary email on Tally is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log in to Tally. Open Tally and enter your login credentials to access your account. Ensure you are using the correct user ID and password. Step 2. Navigate to User Settings. Once logged in, go to the User Settings section. This can usually be found in the main menu or under your account profile settings. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the User Settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed to the email settings. Step 4. Update your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click this button to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Tally will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages to ensure everything is set up correctly.